Borunte class, Introduction to NTversion Collaborative Robot Foundation. First, let's see the electrical box of the collaborative robot. This is the power switch. We will turn on the power switch. The green button on the right is the start button. After we turn on the power switch, press the start button again. The robot will be powered on at this moment. This is the emergency stop switch. Pressing the emergency stop button will cut off all the electricity in the electrical box. The robot immediately powered off. This is the status light of the electrical box. This is the heavy-duty head of the robot. The encoder line and power line both go this way. Above is the interface of the teaching pendant. This is the I/O input port. This is a 48 volts power supply. Power the robot. The power supply above. It supplies power to the motherboard and I/O. This is for supplying power to the motor brake can teaching pendant. And this is the motherboard. There are a total of 32 outputs here. 32 inputs. There are 16 here. There are also 16 here. Here, the output is above. Here are the inputs. Then it can be at a high level here. It can also be a low level. This is an input signal. When it is connected to a high level, this signal is valid at a low level. When it is connected to a low level, this signal is valid at a high level. Public end. This is the relay output. This is the transistor output. There are 4 network ports on this. This is the RS-to-32 interface. This is an interface for RS-485. This is the CAN-open interface. PWM is a pulse output. This is the interface of the encoder. The encoder we need is a dual-channel encoder. Now see the teaching pendant section. This is the enable switch for the teaching pendant. There are 3 gears. They are lightly releasing, holding down, and pressing the gear again. On the other side is a USB interface. You can insert a USB drive here. Flip over the teaching pendant. Come to the front. This is the key knob. There are 3 states: demonstration, operation, and remote. Teaching demonstration, where remote teaching can be conducted. The red button is for emergency stop. The knob on the right is the program switching line. We click on a program. Then we slide this to switch program lines. This is an indicator light. Start button on the left. Press to start the program. The stop button is used to stop the currently running program. The origin is to return the robot to its original position. The reset button is used to return the robot to the reset point we have set. V plus per V is the acceleration and deceleration. This is an axis button. When there are multiple robots here, make a switch. This is the switching of the external axis. This is the coordinate. Can switch coordinates. Single step. When we need to conduct a trial run, you can click step by step. Servo power on. If we don't power on the servo, pressing the enable switch at the back has no effect. This is a clarification. After the alarm, we need to press here to clear the error. This is the tool switch. When we press the tool, the tools above will undergo changes. The above is the basic introduction of NTversion collaborative robots. Any questions about the content? Welcome to the comment section to ask questions. Follow me for more technical information.